All right, Samuel, what did you want to do? That picture, I got you. Watch here. Oh, yeah.
Like the exact same thing, but we're going to go with the tape on the sides as well.
Okay, I got you. And watch, this might be a good cut for you to even see, Andrew. It's, yeah, watch this. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you guys for being on the channel. So this is like an undercut, like quiff pomp up into the side. So it's really kind of like a undercut pomp up into the side. Undercut meaning on this side it's real clean. There isn't going to be hair coming down on this side. So this side will be real clean. This side will come in. It could formulate together, but real nice and high. The main vocal point will be up here, and then a nice taper like sliding in. Would be like the vision for getting rid of this, you know, hard part kind of comb over that he ends up having. That's so see, look, and with this, this is a 1.5 that I start with, and I'll just come right over here and I just, and I'll just give it, instead of popping it out, I'll just give it an angle, and I'll follow that angle. Or you pop it out. And if you feel like you like popping it out, then pop it out and follow the angle. This I'm going to get with the scissors, so I'm not worried about that at all. So I take that all with a 1.5, then I go straight down to my 1 guard. And I'll come right over to this side and I'll have it all the way down and then I'll pop it up one, kind of come into it. And watch, look at it from this angle so you can see, look, I'll just hit them off like this. And look, just giving a blend into that, but coming, you know, kind of up here, having it like that. The main vocal point of this haircut is going to be the hairstyle on top. And then with, you know, that nice, you know, cleaner but Cosmos style look on the side, where it's not some, you know, crazy mid fade that's looking, he wants it more, he's more into that, how would you say, it's more edgier, but like kind of classier, more hairstyle look. It's, yeah. And it's not so common. It's more, and then having that intense scissor work on top. And watch, like you could even see what I do on that side to where, see, I'll just kind of come right here and just creep right in and. Now you can see that water in the background. All right. Now look, I've gotten it to a point where it's just kind of a base point like that. So that's like, okay, cool. You've done really nothing. You did do something. All of this came off, but I'll show you. You know, I kind of wipe that off. I can either correct this or I can start to, in this case, I'll go ahead and start to taper the sides. You know, I'll take this clipper right here Let's see if, oh yeah, should have. Look, and I'll show a taper right here in 2 seconds. I'll show you how to. So if you notice what I did is I stopped right here.
Yeah.
So I'm saying that's where the guideline is.
Right.
So, you know, instead of like shifting them back and forth or whatever, that's where it is.
Right.
Come here, it's all the way down. Your guards should blend into each other.
Right.
Come right up. And that's it. I mean, look how quickly that is. That's a taper. And there's nothing, you know, look how clean that is. And then so far you have that part starting to be corrected. This I'll like to blow dry into place so I can correct what's going to be happening here and have that to where, you know, it looks like it's my haircut. And so it's the back of the taper is easy as well. This is, show you the back of the taper just comes in and you just, you know, section it off. And guys, if the audio in here sounds horrible, I'm very sorry. Look, I've got this, so I'm having to modify this to where, look guys, that's probably a little bit better to where it's not rubbing up against me. But sorry about that. We also have the graffiti artist in the background doing something. Watch, I'll even take you away from this super quick and you can check that out. This is something happening over here. If you guys want to follow him, he's on Instagram, Skindy and Art. Give him a follow. And watch, back to the taper. So there's a lot going on, guys, in the background that you guys never know about. Take them on a ride. Hold that. Yeah, that way you can, whatever you think looks, yeah, you have that and you can see how, whatever you think, not too close, but like have, yeah, you can do that however you want it, whatever you think looks good. And look, I'll show them on the taper to where. See how I kind of just swing him around in the chair and then I'll click it up one notch and I'll come right in.
Knock that line down.
Yeah, knock that line down. And I'll knock that line down, you know, the same intervals that I use. So like, you know, that same, you know, step if it's, you know, 1 millimeter or 2 millimeters but I'm just saying I'll use that same graduation going up. That way it bears that same integrity. Same overall design and concept. And then it just busts right into a tape. Yeah, the top of his hair right now is where we'll have fun. Hey guys, and if you guys get something out of this video, you guys like it, you know, like and subscribe. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you want me to do, if anything. See, so that should be pretty. You lead on the taper and then watch now. Watch, pop it all together and have it like fire to where it's. Go to Instagram, Thomas Baca Barber. And then watch, to even cop the beard in, it's like, all right, now pop this side in, watch, look at this. Look up to the same area, give it a tiny bit of lift. Look at that, boom. Oh yeah, that's gonna look sick. It's his hair, guys, he has sick hair, that's why it comes out this sick. Just a gateway to. That's Kenny done. Let's see. Oh yeah, it is still. Get them with the head-on styling, like somewhere where they could really watch. Because look, I'm going to show them now how to, wherever they can, you know, how I'm going to reverse, you know, point cut it. These shears are unreal. Oops. I was almost going to freestyle it and just keep going and. Guys, these shears are nano powdered metal. They're Steve Moody's by Moody Hair. These are sick. Nano powdered metal. Guys, connect the side of the hair. Watch, clipper over comb. Let's go with the blow dry style. Let's see if they want to watch. Let's see if they want to watch this. I got it. And look at that with no edits in real time. I mean, you can't beat it. Guys, subscribe to that. No edits in real time. Look, who's better than that? Who's going to beat this? The underground champion. That's why I put that on everything. Underground world title in barbering. And watch. Ping, ping. Oh yeah, he did that quick. Jeez. Now watch the product and watch me do one thing, then I gotta add this product. Watch. All right, watch. Let's do this the right way. Let me see that picture. What do you think? You like it?
That is perfect.
All right, sick. Hell yeah. All right, guys. Thank you. Subscribe, like, Sirmens Salon.